Hello kids. Let's learn small ABCD with colors. But before this, please subscribe, share and like my channel.
Black color, pink color, silver color, light pink color, sky blue color. Let's start. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for drum. E for eagle. F for frog. G for grass. H for horse. I for ink. J for juice. K for knife. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sunflower. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for violet. W for watchman. X for X-ray. Y for yellow. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z